Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're a regular here, today's episode is something completely different. And if you're new here just because of the topic of this video, welcome. My name is Ryan, and today's video is part of a new series that I'm going to be starting. So hopefully you'll stick around even if the rest of my content maybe is not for you. You can save the new playlist I've created if you subscribe to the channel and only get videos that refer to this particular topic. And that is astronomy. Since I was a little kid, I have been fascinated by the moon, the stars, the planets. I could not begin to tell you how many videos and movies and read books and watched documentaries and looked at photos of the stars and the planets and just been in awe of the vastness and the beauty of all of it. But one thing I have never done, other than to look into the sky at night with my naked eye, is to see those things for myself through a telescope. I've never seen the moons of Jupiter or the rings of Saturn, and I've decided that that's something that I want to do. So in today's video, I am going to take the first step on a new journey of astronomical discovery, and I'm going to be opening my new Celestron Starsense 130 telescope. I hope that you'll enjoy the unboxing and the assembly of the telescope. I will try to give you any tips and tricks I discover along the way. And unfortunately, it's supposed to be cloudy here for the next 3 days, so I'm not going to get to put this bad boy to use anytime soon, but I've waited 56 years for this moment. I can probably wait a few more days. So let's get started and get this thing unboxed and put together. All right, so here it is, fresh from FedEx home delivery, courtesy of B&H Photo. Thank you very much. Very good service from them, by the way. This is going to be a bit of a mystery, even to me. I bought this used from B&H Photo. That actually saved me enough money to buy an accessory, which we will also unbox in this video, but I'm not sure what I'm going to find when I open it. Their rating said it was an 8 out of 10 with minor cosmetic damage, but it was in full working order. I guess we're going to put it to the test. The standard box inside a box look. The box itself actually appears to be in really good condition. Quick tips on the lid of the box. And then, as you would expect, boxes in boxes. Comes with the owner's manual. This is the Starsense version of this, so it has an app that you can download that will help you find things in the night sky. There's a code here. Hopefully it is also unused. First box is the tripod. I've read mixed things on this. It looks like it should be fairly sturdy, but many of the other YouTube videos that are out on this indicate that it is somewhat unstable, so I'm really anxious to get this thing put together, take it outside on the grass as opposed to on a concrete surface, and see how it does. It's a pretty good sized tripod, so next is the box of the various accessories. This is the accessory tray that mounts at the bottom of the tripod to hold extra eyepieces and whatnot. This is the red dot finder that allows you to target sites that you want to look at if you're not using the app. These are the two slow motion control arms that allow you to pivot the telescope both up and down and left and right. This is the Starsense mount for your phone. This allows the app to actually see the same thing that the telescope is seeing in the sky and then allow you to align. And the mirror on that is intact, which is a good sign. So far, there is not a lot of evidence that this has been opened previously. It does come with two eyepieces. I've read, again, mixed things on whether these are any good or not. It comes with the 10mm and the 25mm wider angle Plossl style eyepieces, so we'll see how those work. The accessory that I was able to buy with the money I saved buying this used is actually the 2x Barlow lens that will allow you to double the magnification of these. So I'm pretty stoked about being able to get all of that for less money than this would normally cost by itself, brand new. Eyepiece adapter. And last but certainly not least, the optical tube, the scope itself. And again, I have to say, they gave this an 8 out of 10, saying that there were some cosmetic marks, and I don't see anything on this that would indicate that it has ever actually been out of the package. So I'm pretty pleased with a used purchase and the money I saved. So let's see if I can put this thing together. So that's it. It took about maybe 15 minutes to put this thing together, so it's not bad at all. I'm really happy so far. I'm going to take this thing outside and do some alignment and see what we got, but overall, I'm pretty pleased so far. Now, I just need a clear night.